In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share a Word document via email directly from Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to send that final draft to your colleague or share an important report with your team, this method will help you streamline the process, sparing you the need for switching between different applications. So, let's dive right in and take a look at how you can do this seamlessly. To start, make sure you have the document you'd like to share open in Microsoft Word. Once you have the document ready, you'll need to navigate to the top left corner of your screen and find the File tab. Clicking on File will open a menu with several options, but the one we're interested in is Share. Select Share to move on to the next step. Sharing options are designed to make your workflow more efficient by integrating directly with your email, allowing you to send documents without the need to save and upload them separately. After clicking on Share, you will see a variety of sharing options, but the quickest way to send your document through email is by choosing Email from the list. Within this category, you'll find an option to Send as Attachment. Selecting this will prepare your document to be emailed as an attachment, essentially packaging it in a format that is widely accessible and convenient for recipients. In this step, Microsoft Word will automatically open your default email program. This is typically Microsoft Outlook for most Windows users, but it could also be another email client that you have set as the default. You'll notice that the document is already attached to the email, saving you the effort of manually attaching it. This integration between Word and your email client helps ensure that documents are transferred intact and are less likely to get lost during the process. Now, all that's left to do is fill in the email details. Start by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Ensure that you have the correct email address to avoid sending the document to the wrong person. Next, it's time to add a subject line. It's a good idea to make your subject line both informative and relevant, giving the recipient a clear idea of the document's content or purpose. In the body of the email, you can add a personal message or any instructions necessary for the recipient, offering context or highlighting any specific details they should pay attention to in the document. Once you have all the information in place, go ahead and click Send. Your document is now on its way. And there you have it. Sending a Word document via email straight from the application is as simple as a few clicks. By following this streamlined process, you can ensure that your documents are sent quickly and efficiently, making collaboration and communication smoother than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.